وفي هذا الصدد يهمني أن أنبه إخواني المسلمين في فلسطين بعدة أمور حتى يدركوا أبعاد المؤامرات الأمريكية ضدهم. الأمر الأول أن الوصول للسلطة ليس مطلوبا لذاته ولكنه مطلوب لتمكين شرع الله في الأرض.
Retaliation? Oh my God.
Goddamn Family Guy. Now they're just provoking people. It's like they want a holy war. Does this mean we don't have school all week? You guys, this is serious. We have to do something. Oh, what? We have to go to the Fox Network in L.A. We have to go and try to get that episode pulled. You guys with me? Dude, we can't go anywhere. They've shut down the airports and the buses. Then we'll ride our big wheels. To Los Angeles? If that's what it takes, yes. We have to talk to the network. The Family Guy writers aren't going to back down.
Well, good for them. They shouldn't. The writers are standing up and saying they aren't going to be intimidated.
Intimidated? Is that what you think this is a bad guy?
Rusty, what the hell has gotten into you? I don't trust for 1 second that your sudden concern for the Muslim people is real.
All right, fine, Kyle. Forget the Muslim faith for a minute. People can get hurt. If 10 people die because Family Guy just had to have their little joke, will you still think it's funny? What if 100 people die? Will it be funny then, Kyle? I'm going to Los Angeles, and I'm going to do whatever I can to get that episode pulled before this gets out of hand. Somebody has to speak for the Muslim people. Somebody has to speak for what's right.
There you have it, people. The ABUS Brady lockout. This lock was the hardest lock in my collection. And now I can pick it with one hand tied behind my back. Very difficult lock to pick. It's key retaining. You gotta be really careful when you close this lock up, or you'll screw it. And yeah, there it is, the ABUS Brady lockout. I would rank this right up there with the Brinks Shrouded and American 1105s. At any rate, peace, and don't break the law, and most of all, have fun.